Hello Stormwater designers, welcome back to Clear Creek Solutions instructional videos, and today we're going to be doing a quick start of the Bay Area Hydrology Model, also known as BAM. Where do we download it from, how do we install it, and then how do we get starting using it? So first thing you're going to want to do is go to www.clearcreeksolutions.info. This is where you'll be able to download it from, and just like any of our other software, you're going to want to go to the Downloads tab here. Now you can see all the downloads. These are important download instructions. So clearing your browser cache could be very useful for your downloads, but we have all the instructions there for some of the three most common browsers. If we scroll down, we should be able to find the Bay Area Hydrology Model. So right here, BAM, Bay Area Hydrology Model 2013. Here you can download the current version as well as open the user's manual. So you can find the 2013 user's manual here, scroll through it, you'll find a lot of valuable information in there. And then right here you can download it. So you're going to want to click download here. I already have it downloaded and installed on my system, so I'm not going to do it again. But also you can view the change log for the software here. So you can view all the different change logs for our software if you want to know if any changes have been made. But that's where to download it from. And then I'm going to go to my desktop here. And right here, I have Bay Area BAM 2013 and double click to open the software. All you're going to want to do is when you downloaded it is go to your downloads and then run the executable, and then it'll install for you. It is pretty simple and create all the file paths. So now I have the Bay Area Hydrology Model open here. As you can see, there's 3 county options. So we have Alameda, we have San Mateo County, and we have Santa Clara County. And those are the 3 locations that you get to pick from. I'm going to click Alameda County here, and you're going to want to left click to select a location on the map, and this is where your project location is. So if you have a project here in Livermore, you're going to want to left click and select it. Let's talk about some of the map controls. We can zoom in by pressing the plus button here on the magnifying glass to zoom in, and the minus button to zoom out, and then you can use these arrows to navigate up or down. So if you really want to zoom in on your project location, just press the plus button quite a few times here. Left click to select your project location. You can then move using these arrows, and this will zoom back to the extents of the map here. It'll also tell you the rain gauge and precipitation factor for your project. So the precipitation factor for this project is 1.467. That's based on the elevation of your project location relative to where the rain gauge is placed. And then for the site information, it has no effect on how the model runs, but when you create a project report, putting in your site information here will allow it to show up in the project report. If we go to the schematic, we can left click to drop elements into the schematic here. So for example, in the pre-project, I may want to drop a land use space in by left clicking, and left clicking again in the project space. You can move elements with the arrow here and determine where your elements are on the coordinate system using this X and Y here. To add land use area, you're going to want to left click in the box. This displays all the different soil types that come with the Bay Area Hydrology Model. So you may want 4 acres of CD forest flat with 0 to 5% slope here available in the pervious area. And then you would right click on the element to connect it to the point of compliance or the point of analysis and run the scenario to generate runoff. So just to review, we went to the Clear Creek Solutions site to download the Bay Area Hydrology Model. We opened up the map to find our project location, and then we started adding elements and developing runoff from these elements. So that's a quick start of the Bay Area Hydrology Model. If you have any questions, leave them in a comment down below. Please like and subscribe for more videos, and we'll see you guys next time.